Hello and welcome to another program, but this time with grammar, with me Sohail and Ali.
Thank you. Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. Please stay with us. We're going to let you know about some important points related to grammar.
Exactly.
But this time we're going to talk about
four main tenses in grammar, but in present tense.
Tense, yes. We mean we're going to talk about present simple. So,
Exactly.
So first of all, I think that would be better if our dears know about the structure.
Exactly. So, as Ali said, the first tense is called simple present or present simple tense. It is mainly used for general things or routine activities.
There are different functions, but here we're going to mention the highlighted ones.
Exactly. For example, I say I usually hang out with my friends on weekends.
Yeah. Another example, I can let you know that, I always brush my teeth before going to bed.
Exactly. Or my father takes a shower before work. But let me mention one important thing about this example. I said my father takes a shower. So we add S or es usually to the verb when we are talking about the third person, like he or she or even it.
Yeah, in other words, when you're making the structure, the formula, be careful about using we can say third person s, okay, when it goes to he, she or it.
And for other pronouns, you just need to use the base form of the verb.
Yeah, exactly, you're right. But we will let you know about this.
Exactly.
The next tense is going to present continuous.
Yes.
What is the function to it?
You know, mainly it is talking about ongoing activities and actions. Those kind of things that you are doing right now. Same as,
something that is happening at the moment.
Perfect.
Guys, we are talking to you. You are listening to us. And the video is being recorded, of course.
Exactly. It is a kind of passive tense, but it's not necessary to let them know about it. You have to add ing to your verb, and don't forget to use to be verbs. Am, is, and are. Exactly.
Yes. Ing is the symbol. Ing is somehow the logo of present continuous. So without ing, you can't, say that something is happening in progress.
Exactly. Now let's go for the third tense in present. It is called present perfect. I'm really into it. How about you?
That's really interesting. And guys, when you're getting used to using it, that would be really nice. When you get familiar using this structure, you'll see that it's a kind of, magic in your speaking, and it gives you an ability to be able to speak in a fluent way in different situations.
So we use this tense mostly when we are talking about something that normally happened in the past, but the time is not important to us, okay? And somehow we can see the results right now. For example, I say...
Before that, I need to mention again that time is really important.
Exactly.
Never ever mention the exact time.
Perfect.
Yep. For example, I've traveled to Dubai.
When, Ali?
Yesterday.
No, it is wrong.
Another example?
Or for example, I have cleaned my bedroom. Now you can go and see that my bedroom is clean. You can see the result.
Yeah, of course. A new example, I can tell you that she hasn't done her homework yet.
What is done here, Ali?
Done is the past participle. I mean the third part of the main verb. Do, did, and done. So for present perfect, as you know the name, okay, perfect. So the verb should be in a perfect way. I mean the third part of the verb. Do, did, and
done.
Done.
And never forget to use have or has before that.
Yeah.
As Ali said, she hasn't. So it is a negative form. She hasn't done. Have or has, and then PP, past participle. Now guys, let's go for the last tense in present, which is called present perfect
continuous. But do not forget to add ing to this structure, because the ing format shows the progressive or something which is ongoing in this structure. So
and never forget to use have been or has been before that. It is kind of fixed in the sentence.
Example, I can tell you that we've been talking to you for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes.
Exactly. Or I've been studying English more than 20 years.
Another example, I can say that she's been washing the dishes for 20 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. And maybe she hasn't finished yet.
Yeah. But so the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous is,
you know, the duration and the emphasis on the duration of the activity.
And also the action. Okay, in present perfect, the action was done.
Perfect.
But the result is still in
Clear.
progress or clear. But in present perfect continuous, we can check the action itself yet.
Exactly. Or, for example, I say, I have been waiting for you for 2 hours. See, the emphasis here is on the verb wait and the duration for 2 hours. It means that it seems that you are annoyed.
The other function for present perfect continuous is to talk about something that just done. You know, it was just finished.
Exactly.
Already finished somehow. For instance, I can tell you that yesterday I saw my friend and I told her that, have you been crying? You know, so her eyes were red.
Oh.
Yeah, she told me that, no, I haven't been crying. I've been cutting onions. Just before you.
Yeah.
So it means that the process of cutting onion was just done, was just finished. So we can also use this function in present perfect continuous. Also, there is a lot to say about present perfect continuous and other tenses, but this is an somehow overview, okay, for you guys to be familiar for the first step.
Exactly. Thank you, Ali, for your nice explanation, and I hope our audience enjoyed this program.
I hope so.
Hope to see them again soon. But before that, don't forget to
share,
like this video,
and click on the bell icon.
Exactly.
To subscribe us for further videos.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So that's it for today's program.
See you for next session, guys.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.